The pandemic has been especially challenging for the prison inmates in Mexico. The rate of infections has been higher than any other country in the world. And not that there was much to begin with. The lockdowns due to the health crisis reduced their already restricted contact with the outside world. Take a look.
Imprisoned, alarming rate of infections, and no contact with the outside world. Even though the situation looked grim, with no upside, one group of women prison inmates at a prison west of Mexico City managed to find a silver lining. The lockdown, though, took away the freedom to be out and about, but it did leave many with a lot of time to spare. Many professionals took this time to donate online classes. With schools closed, Mexico as a whole still is struggling with distance learning and online classes. Not many students have a computer or an internet connection. But for the women prisoners, online learning opened the door to a new world.
I participate in every workshop. 2 hours daily. I learnt about literature. I learned how to write a poem, which meant I learned how to express my emotions. The workshops we are receiving are fantastic.
This is when the Plan B Foundation stepped in. The Plan B Foundation had the idea to launch a web page with the slogan Donate an Hour, which has already received about 10,000 responses with proposals for classes. The proposals are not just limited to big names. In fact, the website even aims to sign up gardeners, carpenters and clothing makers.
The pandemic really helped us out because it was a moment in which we could carry out this really big and distant idea we had. We somehow managed to get an internet room put in the prison, not just with a screen, with internet, but a live connection.
Mexico's state and federal prisons, which hold about 220,000 inmates, had seen 2,139 confirmed coronavirus cases as of mid-August. An infection rate roughly 3 times higher than the general population, and about 190 deaths, about twice the confirmed national average. But this program, deemed as prison academic videos, has come as a ray of hope for these inmates. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.